How to fix 8-ball pool not connecting to Facebook. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix 8-ball pool not connecting to Facebook. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure you are connected to a stable network. Sometimes this problem occurs due to a poor internet connection. If your internet connection is stable but you are still facing this issue, it might be due to the cache. After that, long press on it. Then you will see the option for app info. Simply tap on it. Over here, you will find the information of this application. After that, find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Then you will be redirected to the storage interface. Over here, you will see two options, clear storage and clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache right over here. After that, your cache will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. But if the issue is still not resolved, what you can do is try updating the application. Over here, open the Play Store. After that, over here, you will find the application for 8-ball pool. After that, tap on it. Then, if your application is not updated, you will see the option for update instead of play. Simply tap on it, and after that, your application will be updated. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try uninstalling and reinstalling the application. Over here, tap on the uninstall option right over here. After that, install the application again. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that's how you can fix 8-ball pool not connecting to Facebook. That's all for this video.